The Adventures of Bob and the Lone Wolf.
What are you doing, you lazy sod? Is this all you're going to do is sit around watching TV, not doing anything? You know you've got school coming up and the cost. I would suggest you get off your ass and find a job.
Oh, here's one. Must be a nitwit. Check. Must have own vehicle. Check. Must be able to fly. That must be a typo. Alright, let's make this phone call happen. Hey, it's Aaron. I'm calling for this ad in the paper for your job. Oh, come tomorrow? Perfect. Do I need to bring anything? No? Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
Superhero outfit. Thought I told you to bring one.
You didn't tell me to bring one.
Calling me a liar? You just got here and I already want to fire your ass.
Can I go home and get one?
You better damn go right now. Oh, that looks much better. Now, what are we going to call you? Like Peanut Fairy or something like that?
Actually, I was thinking something along the lines of Super Awesome Ninja Guy.
Oh, God. No, that's terrible. Terrible. Call you like Lone Wolf. How's that?
I can see it working.
Lone Wolf. Welcome to the job, Lone Wolf.
Thank you, Bob.
Alright, come here. Alright, so this is my super secret awesome lair I got here. Not very much. I'm kind of cheap.
Are you renovating?
Yeah, a little. Yeah. Wait, you hear that? Help, help, please help. Come on. Help, help, please help. Oh, someone's caught in the train tracks. Come on, Lone Wolf. Come on, Lone Wolf. Let's go. Oh, Christ. Oh. Next time we're bringing the car.
Do we have a car?
Yeah, your car.
Do I get gas money?
Shut up. Get to work.
I'll save you.
Watching you works like watching a cub bear play with a pecker. You're on my way.
That's not very ladylike.
Who cares? Save her. There you go, miss.
Why'd you do that?
We saved her.
And you threw her over the bridge.
She'll get up.